Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show some diamonddotz paintings that were a surprise in my second adventure to Walmart. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I had to go back to Walmart again to get a couple more Christmas decorations, and of course I went to the crafting area, and lo and behold, in the same little end cap that I found last time, they moved up and put a couple more diamond paintings. These weren't there last time, and luckily this one was there, and this was a second fall one I really wanted to pick up, and they pushed it all the way to the front. You know how like it's retail wise, it's called merchandising whenever they push items to the front so we can see them and we can assume, oh my goodness, there's so many in stock. It's not, it's just one. And it did to these wonderful paintings, and it won me over. This, honestly, this was one of the fall ones I was looking for when it came out, and this one I've never seen it before, and they're real pretty, and I do love diamonddots, and I got lucky because this one was on clearance and this one was the standard price, which isn't too much of a difference. This one was $7. This one was $9.88, I believe. That's usually the cost of diamonddots at Walmart. Well, in my area. I'm not too sure if it changes in, you know, different Walmarts in different areas. So I'm going to unbox this one because I really love this one. And all of these paintings I'm going to put in the description below, if in case this one doesn't have a direct link. Or if not, I'll probably put the diamonddots website, or if I can locate them on the Walmart site. Usually, oh, apologies, I tapped the microphone, sorry about that. Usually I can locate them, but since this one was clearance, I'm not too sure if it is on the Walmart site. Oh, just some information about the painting. I got so excited unboxing it. This one is called Horn of Plenty, and this is such a Thanksgiving kind of image. It's a cornucopia with a little lovely little bluebird with a pumpkin and a whole bunch of fall foliage around it. It is a partial, which usually don't do partials, but I really love this image, so I really wanted to pick it up. And this size of this one for the whole design, which is the canvas as well, is 11 by 14 inch or 28 by 35.5 centimeters. For the, oh, apologies, that's for the drill field. For the whole fabric, which is the whole canvas, is 13.8 by 17 inch or 35 by 43.5 centimeters. 28 by 35. It's kind of small. I kind of assumed it was kind of big, but this painting is more vertical than horizontal, so it kind of makes sense if it's a little taller. As you can see, the wonderful image is wrapped around at the front, and at the bottom of the box it has all of the information as well about the painting and the identifier for this painting. Let me fix the lighting a bit. I didn't notice it was kind of that dark. The lighting, I'm sorry, the identifier for this is DD4.386, and this painting has 37 colors with a total of 9,659 diamonds. 37 for one that kind of small. I kind of can see the little wrapped around image. As you can see, it's wrapped around the box. There is some confetti within. This one's going to be real interesting. And in the back, just information about, you know, if you're new to diamond painting, information about the kit, and standard warnings since there is small pieces in this box. I really appreciate that they put all the information of the painting at the bottom of the box, because I stacked my stash. Even little diamonddots boxes as well. So these are the diamonds. I really love diamonddots diamonds. I always say that every time I unbox one of these, because I'm a big fan of them. And apologies for the crinkly noise. I'm going to open it up real quick, because, you know, I'm going to get the diamonds out. And they always include the kit as well within the diamond, which I always thought was really smart. Their kits are really small. They just have, you know, the basics of what you need to diamond paint. They have the tray, the pen, and the wax. And just to make it a little fancier, they have a nice little sturdy grip you can put on the pen. So in case you're painting for a while, this will help your hands from, you know, becoming uncomfortable. And just in case you need a diamond painting, the standard kit, all you would do is pour the diamonds in the tray, get the pen, press it on the wax, press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if you lose the kit, or if unfortunately it breaks or anything, any other next canvas you buy will have it as well. All standard kits are always included, so Every now and then it's rare when you don't receive one. I haven't had that, but just in case, don't worry. They'll always find you. And these are the wonderful diamonds for this painting. Ooh, so fall tones, which makes sense. I love the little teal colors on it. I'm a big fan of that. I really love these sets. I'm trying really hard not to unfurl them because I have such a problem putting them all back because I'm going to put them away. You can see the wonderful fall colors. I love the sound of... I don't know why. I love that sound whenever I have to move around packs of diamonds. As you can see, the pretty fall colors. Big fan of that. I got so excited opening these. I was going to open the canvas first. Let me move all of this aside to give some space real quick. Put the box over there. Put the diamonds over here. I'm not too sure if this painting includes a special diamond. Every now and then, whenever I do diamond dot paintings, random AB always appears. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know. I don't know if, sorry. On the box, I didn't see it state anything about a special diamond. But I like finding the surprise when I actually start painting. I see, oh, look at that, I got an AB. Their canvases are really soft and smooth and velvety, as you can hear. And the edges are scalloped and poked, which helps the ends from not fraying. And to me, I just love the little scallop edges. Gives a nice little decorative part to the canvas. And just unfurl it real quick. It always includes a little paper in it that has this information steps about, especially if you're new to diamond painting, and thank you for your purchase and welcoming you to the wonderful world of diamond dots. Has information about the site, the company, and Walmart as well. This painting, and apologies, I should have stated it in the beginning. These paintings are exclusive, to my understanding, to Walmart. And the reason I know, this little emblem, whenever it says the special edition, usually it's this line of paintings that are being sold, specifically through Walmart. That's what I've understood. So anytime you see that little silver emblem, you know, ooh, that's a Walmart painting. That's how I identify it. So that's what I call them that way. And it's a little pretty canvas. As I said, it is a partial. So in the background, that beautiful purple, you don't paint that. Just in case you don't know what partials are. Let me just roll it the opposite way just to keep it from curling up. I can imagine how long this poor painting has been in storage. I'm assuming that. It wasn't there the last time when I found the two other Diamond Dotz painting I showed, I believe, last week. This painting wasn't there. I would have picked it up as well. So I believe they just found this one in the back and they're like, hey, somebody bought some of those paintings. Let's help her out and bring out some other ones we have in the warehouse. So I got fortunate that they brought this wonderful painting back because this was another fall one I wanted to pick up. So you can see, wonderful pumpkin in the middle. I love the pumpkin. That's what really won me over. I love the large pumpkin. The cornucopia horn, the little bird, other kind of vegetables in the bottom, and the falling leaves on top. And with partials, the only thing with difference about partials is a partial, you don't paint everything that's on the canvas. A full painting, it's every single thing gets painted. As you can see, this nice purpley background, it's not sticky at all. So if I pick up the plastic, pick it up. Well, actually, there's a partial part here. This section, as you can see, not sticky at all. But with the drill fill, ooh, really nice stick. I love how Diamond Dotz paintings are. I have no problems with any of the diamonds. That's the only difference between a full and a partial. Just sections that won't have the adhesive, so you don't have to worry about. Myself, I lean my hand on the painting a lot, so that's why I don't mind partials, because I know the painting ain't gonna come with me. And for the canvas, on the upper left and lower right corners, they have the drill field of all the diamonds. As I stated before, this painting has 37 colors. And I love these drill fields. They're really large, really detailed. You can see the number of the diamonds are in numerical order and all their symbols. The thing that's really different about Diamond Dotz, they do not identify their diamonds through DMC code. Diamond Dotz has their own kind of identifier for their diamonds, but there is a conversion chart online that if you decide, or if you're like me, I store all my spare diamonds when I complete the painting, you can convert into the DMC code and you're able to save them however you're going to save them. That's the first time I found that out. I did not know they did that till I noticed, ooh, the numbers look different. It's just the Diamond Dotz thing. They have their own kind of special identifier for it. At the bottom of the painting is the name of the painting as well, Horn of Plenty, and all the information about the painting. And this painting was licensed by Interlitho Licensing GmbH. Diamond Art Club Apologies. Ooh, really wrong company. Sorry about that. Diamondotz. Wow, that came out of nowhere. Sorry about that. Their paintings are licensed. So in case you're not too sure of Diamondotz art, they are. Because the canvas also says it. I've been asked once before. It is. And I researched it just to confirm. So the legitimate site and everything, I always assume it's licensed. Unless there's something specifically stating on the site, ooh, these paintings are not. I trust it. So these are licensed paintings. And the drill field is real sticky, as I said. You saw when there you go. And the plastic is really sturdy. I've done the washing method with this plastic. Never had a problem of pressing too hard on my little ceramic blade that I've, cut the canvas. So it's real sturdy. And they're really thick and sturdy. As you can probably hear while I'm trying to stretch it out. It's curling. It's kind of annoying. So that is this painting. And as I showed all the diamonds, they're all nice bulb colors, which makes sense why it would work perfectly with this canvas. And their diamonds are really nice, really shiny, and I'm a big, big fan of them. I really love their diamonds. And they're really bright. Once you've already placed them down, you'll see how really, really beautiful the color is on these diamonds. I'm a big, big fan of them. So I'm going to put this aside real quick, and I'll show the next painting. I've never seen this rose painting before. If I'd seen it before, I would have picked it up. I like flowers. So it makes sense that, of course, I would pick up the rose paint. Apologies, I'm going to put the diamonds back into the little bag. And also apologies if you hear a bunch of traffic. I'm recording around mid-afternoon, so everyone, hustling and bustling and trying to get home and everything. I'm just putting them aside on the side, so let me put all of this as well. I have a little table here, but it's so covered in paintings. I'm running out of space. I really need to organize or get some of these paintings done. But time is an issue, isn't it? I put the paper aside. And this is the next one. Beautiful, beautiful multicolored rose. I fell in love when I saw it. This painting as well is a partial. And this painting is called Rose Portrait. As well, it has the little special edition emblem. So it's specifically sold through Walmart. It even says here, exclusive design. This is new. I've never seen this. 3 new dotting tools. I've never seen that on any of the Diamondotz paintings. And this painting, the size for the drill field is 15 by 11 inch or 38 by 28 centimeters. For the whole fabric, which is the whole canvas, 18.1 inches by 13.8 inches or 46 by 35 centimeters. As you can see, wrapped around the whole painting, it's beautiful colors for this rose. And this painting has 36 colors and 10,157 diamonds. If y'all are like me and keep count after you complete the painting, I'd just like to know, how many diamonds have I put down? Excuse me, that's what that large number is for. Bottom of the box as well has all the information of the painting. So if you're like me and stack your stash, a lot easy to identify whatever painting you want to work on next. So same thing. Diamondotz is always pretty much the same. Contains always the same stuff. But I haven't had one, except this one is kind of new. I've never seen that note that they put new little items into the standard kit. As I said, it's always packaged with the diamonds. I really appreciate that. And again, apologies for the crinkly noise. I really want to check this out. Oh, it is that. They put a multi-placer in it. So it's the same thing as your standard kit. The tray, the pen, the wax. Except this one has a straightener, a 3-placer, and I believe that is a 6. Yeah, that little clear one is a 6. Oh, this one's a little different. I haven't gone to Diamondotz that had little extra, multi-placers. This is really neat. I like that they're including that. Changing it up a bit for us. And these are wonderful diamonds. Oh my goodness, the colors of all of these is really, really pretty. First thing I keep seeing is that really bright red, really beautiful purple. Ooh, this side's even more blue. I love that there's a lot of blue. I'm a big fan of that, a lot of orange. The whole rainbow effect. That's pretty much the coloring on the flower as well. Makes sense it looks like that. So let's look at the canvas. And it's the same thing. All the canvases are always the same style. Nice velvety. Oops, sorry about that. Tearing the bag a bit. Material, edges scalloped and poked to keep the edges from fraying. Really, really nice. And this is the canvas. Oh, this one's horizontal. I thought it was more vertical. Ooh, I like this. And it also includes it always includes this little standard paper. Same thing, steps about diamond painting. Thank you for the purchase. I do appreciate these. And this is the canvas. Oh my goodness, I really thought it was vertical. Did not know it was horizontal. As you can see, the rose is the only area that you would paint. The black background is, you know, no stick on it. It's only on the rose that it is. The background is so random, but I kind of like it. It helps pop the colors and highlight them. I'm a big fan of that. Same thing, 36 colors for this painting. And at the bottom as well, it has all the information about the painting. And this painting, it was produced and licensed under Shutterstock. As I said, they're always licensed. It's just so different array of where the images come from. It could be an artist, or as in this situation, a website as well. I have no problems with it. I just love to paint. As long as it's a painting, I got no problems with it. This is so pretty. I actually want to kit this one up. And since it's a partial, it wouldn't take me so long. But I have so many paintings I need to finish. But this is such a good... I finished a couple diamonddotz partials before, a couple of roses, and they are real quick. The only thing that I've been catching with diamonddotz, they have a lot of confetti. So as you can see with this rose, there are lines, but then it quickly switches to a different color, which I don't mind. This is such a beautiful array, and I actually wouldn't mind this rose on my wall because a lot of I have too many bare walls, so they need paintings as well. This one is so pretty. I really like this one. I'm so glad I located. This is the one, I believe I said in the beginning, this was the standard priced one. The fall one was the one that was on clearance. But for $9.88, I think this is such a good deal. It is a really large, in person, I believe it looks on camera as well. It is a really large canvas. I know it's a partial, but it's really large. The rose is really opened up. And there are so many colors that are switching. I believe this is worth its price. I have no problems as well, and especially if you're new to diamond painting and you kind of want to get, you know, dip your feet in the water, as the saying goes. I believe diamonddotz is such a good choice for it. And it is. They do have smaller canvases, or they have these kind of more medium ones if you want to get brave and work on a medium-sized canvas. And the drill field is really clear. I've never had any issues. Big fan of this one. Stay tuned if I do decide to kit it up. This is so pretty, and I really like it. So that's all I wanted to show today. As said, it was my second little adventure to Walmart, so I was fortunate that they pushed these wonderful paintings to the front, and I picked them up quickly. So I'll wait a couple of weeks and go back again and see, hopefully, if they'll bring in some new paintings, or maybe they might add some more. That little end cap I had said before is the only section that has diamond paintings, and diamonddotz is the only one that's there. So I'm just happy that they even have a little end cap with diamond painting. So I'm hoping in a month or two, or especially for the new year, if I go back, hopefully they've extended a bit and put a couple more diamonddotz. I have no problems picking them up. I really do love this company. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, if you can do the usual, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, roses and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.